Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about symptoms of breast cancer and diagnosis of breast cancer. Let's start with the symptoms of breast cancer. The most common symptom is a breast lump or a swelling. So in 90% of the patients, the women or the male usually present with a swelling in the breast, or it may be in the armpits, which we call as the axillary area. The second most common symptom of breast cancer is any change in the color or texture of the skin of the breast. If you notice any redness or thickening of the skin of the breast, that is when you should report to the breast surgeon. Also, if there are any pits that are seen on the breast, which we call as dimpling of the skin, then that is also an alarming symptom. The skin at times looks like the skin of an orange, so it may look like an orange peel appearance. Thirdly, there are certain symptoms which may appear in the nipple. Nipple discharge is the second most common symptom actually. The nipple discharge may be just a transparent discharge, or it may be slightly red in color. If the discharge is appearing from a single point, that is a single duct, or it is spontaneous, which means it comes on its own, then it is even more significant. So the important thing to remember is that majority of the patients of breast cancer present with a breast lump or a nipple discharge, and unfortunately, it is a painless lump. Now coming to the diagnosis of breast cancer. When the patient first walks into the clinic of the doctor, the first thing that the doctor will do will take a detailed history, and a physical examination of the breasts will be done, which is called as a clinical breast examination. Second is the radiological investigations, which are the imaging tests. So the most common imaging test which is done to look for breast cancer is mammogram of the breast. So what is a mammogram? Mammogram is nothing but an X-ray of the breast. Also, an ultrasound of the breast and axilla is done. MRI of the breast may or may not be advised by the doctor. It depends upon certain conditions, which your doctor will explain to you. Third and the most important test for diagnosis of breast cancer is core needle biopsy or a true cut biopsy. In this, after giving local anesthesia over the breast lump, the tissue of the breast lump is taken by a needle, and this procedure is fairly painless, but it is the most important procedure. So after these three tests are done, which is clinical breast examination, radiological investigation, and a histopathological examination by a needle biopsy, the diagnosis is confirmed. Once we have a diagnosis of breast cancer, certain other investigations may be advised, which include a panel of blood tests, and also a PET-CT scan will be advised by the doctor. The PET-CT scan may or may not be advised, so please ask your doctor before doing this test. Breast cancer is a curable disease. I advise all the females and the males who have any of the symptoms as I mentioned can come to the nearest hospital and get themselves checked and treated for the same. Thank you.